Boating at night can make even familiar waters unrecognizable. Visual depth perception is lessened, and lights from the shore can be difficult to distinguish from those on the water. Navigation lights are important to stay safe. Vessels of all types, both power and sail, and even human-powered vessels, are required to show navigation lights from sunset to sunrise, and when there is restricted visibility. It is important to know which navigation lights you will see from another boat in certain situations. This can help you determine the type of vessel you are encountering and if you are in an overtaking, meeting, or crossing situation. Here is a lighting scenario for a typical recreational power-driven vessel from different angles. Keep in mind, a sailboat under sail alone, or a human-powered vessel such as a kayak, will have a slightly different light display. You should familiarize yourself with each. At night, aids to navigation can also be identified by their light characteristics. Color: red, green, white, or yellow. Light display or sequence of flashes. Period: the time it takes to go through one sequence of flashes. And a buoy may have retroreflective material to help make it visible at night. The various combinations of these characteristics enable boaters to tell one navigation aid from another in darkness. Keep in mind, it is risky to rely on memory or to take shortcuts at night. Stick to the main channel.